I am Samina Chan, and my team name is Prime Movers. But I did this project as a solo member, and my project name is Daily News AI Agent. First of all, I will give the overview that the system is designed to provide the user with AI-powered agent capable of fetching news articles, summarizing the content, and generating various types of outputs like text, images, and memes like that. Some dependencies which I implement that requests for API calls, transformers, I also use some Hugging Face built-in models and diffuser for image generation, Gradio for the user interface, and some API key for this API key I used. So some external APIs model that are I mentioned that news API for fetching news, Facebook, BERT, large CNN, and stable diffusion I used. Some are the system requirements mentioned here. The news retriever, that the user will query something, some any sports news or like that. The output will generate according to that. Okay, the summarization of the text will be based on this model, Facebook, BERT, large CNN pre-trained model, and image will be if the user require the image generation, then the system will generate the image. It is also use the pre-trained model, stable diffusion. AI agent also will prompt the user that in which form he need this output, either the image form or the text form. And user interface I use the Gradio. So, beside these functional requirements, I also consider some non-functional requirements that I was using the collab, and I know it's taking too much time. So, in order to enhance the performance, I use the GPU. I know the scalability. I consider that later, if the features will be increased, then it can easily be embedded. Usability, the user interface is very user friendly. Reliability, like in case of failure, like API failure, the system also easily can handle these such kind of errors. Some of the key components of the project are the fetch news and summarization, image generation, AI agent, and the Gradio wrapper. These are details are mentioned in the code, but once you will see the demonstration of the project, then you can easily understand these things. As I told you earlier, that the system is designed according to also handle the errors. So API, if the API will not respond, that also some exception handlings are also provided. And GPUs, in case of unavailability of the GPU, the image generation, because it's taking too much time, then the system will also convert it into the on the CPU. Okay, just I want to give overview of my code, and because of short of time, this is the code that I use the news API key. I execute all the dependencies and main major code parts chunks of the code, and here is output. Output just here just I want to show that here the if this is the interface here from this link you can go and like I mentioned that the sports I need LinkedIn, I want to reply and I need the image. So rather to generate the text, this program is generating the image according to that once the user will submit it. And another like again I execute the code, same code, and that time the user asked that I need the weather news and I have to post on the LinkedIn, and I need in the text format. The text is generated according to the LinkedIn post. If so, they either the LinkedIn or the Facebook. There are two options are mentioned. So according to that, the user can easily use. Okay, thank you.